Welcome viewer. Are you interested in pursuing electronics and telecommunication engineering at Government Polytechnic, Nashik? Then you are in the right place. In this video, we will break down the crucial cutoff percentages for CAP Round 1 admissions for the academic year 2024-25. We'll cover both students from within Nashik district and those applying from elsewhere, as well as state-level seats. Let's get started. Here we have the detailed cutoff list for the branch code 5010372210 Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering at Government Polytechnic, Nashik. This data is categorized by home district seats and other than home district seats, further divided into non-technical and technical seats allotted to respective candidates, as well as state-level seats. Let's first look at the home district seats allocated to students from the Nashik district. For the home district non-technical seats allotted to home district candidates, for the NGOPENH category, General, the Stage 1 cutoff was at a merit number of 5090 with 92.00%. The NGSCH category, Scheduled Caste, had a cutoff of 30,195 with 84.20%. For NGSTH, Scheduled Tribe, the cutoff was 58,286 at 77.40%. The NGNTAH category, NTA, had a cutoff of 12,965 with 89.00%. NGNTBH, NTB, saw a cutoff at 32,233 with 83.80%. For NGNTCH, NTC, the cutoff was 12,701 at 89.00%. The NGNTDH category, NTD, had a cutoff of 6,472 with 91.40%. NGOBCH, OBC, had a cutoff of 6,360 with 91.40%. NGSEBCH, SEBC, closed at 84,972 with 69.80%. In the ladies categories, NLOPENH, General Ladies, had a cutoff of 3,269 at 93.00%. NLSCH, SC Ladies, closed at 29,743 with 84.40%. For NLSTH, ST Ladies, the cutoff was 33,153 at 83.60%. NLNTCH, NTC Ladies, saw a cutoff at 6,297 with 91.40%. NLOBCH, OBC Ladies, had a cutoff of 6,140 at 91.40%. NLSEBCH, SEBC Ladies, closed at 18,698 with 87.20%. Now, let's examine the home district technical seats allotted to home district technical candidates. The TGOPENH, General Technical, cutoff was 9,093 with 90.40%. TGSCH, SC Technical, had a cutoff of 72,318 with 73.60%. For TGOBCH, OBC Technical, the cutoff was 10,557 at 89.60%. TLOPENH, General Ladies Technical, had a cutoff of 6,218 with 91.40%. TLOBCH, OBC Ladies Technical, had a cutoff of 10,049 with 90.00%. Here are the cutoffs for home district technical seats allotted to other than home district technical candidates. The TGNTBH category, NTB Technical, had a Stage 1 cutoff of 59,033 with 77.20%. We also have some additional data for home district technical seats allotted to home district candidates. TGSTH, ST Technical, had a cutoff of 30,362 with 84.20%. TGSEBCH, SEBC Technical, had a cutoff of 10,189 with 90.00%. TLSCH, SC Ladies Technical, had a cutoff of 20,472 with 86.80%. Next, we look at the cutoff percentages for students applying from other than home district. For the other than home district non-technical seats allotted to other than home district candidates. For the NGOPENO category, General, the Stage 1 cutoff was at a merit number of 3,746 with 92.60%. The NGSCO category, Scheduled Caste, had a cutoff of 27,137 with 85.00%. For NGSTO, Scheduled Tribe, the cutoff was 39,955 at 81.80%. The NGNTAO category, NTA, had a cutoff of 7,881 with 90.80%. NGNTCO, NTC, saw a cutoff at 14,016 with 88.60%. For NGNTDO, NTD, the cutoff was 16,004 at 88.00%. NGOBCO, OBC, had a cutoff of 4,518 with 92.20%. NGSEBCO, SEBC, closed at 8,048 with 90.80%. In the ladies categories, NLOPENO, General Ladies, had a cutoff of 1664 with 94.20%. NLSCO, SC Ladies, closed at 17,348 with 87.60%. For NLNTAO, NTA Ladies, the cutoff was 9,789 at 90.00%. NLOBCO, OBC Ladies, had a cutoff of 6,263 at 91.40%. Finally, NLSEBCO, SEBC Ladies, had a cutoff of 4,215 at 92.40%. Now, let's move on to the other than home district technical seats allotted to other than home district technical candidates. The TGNTBO category, NTB Technical, had a cutoff of 18,669 at 87.20%. The TGOPENO category, General Technical, had a cutoff of 7,864 with 90.80%. TGSCO, SC Technical, had a cutoff of 33,715 with 83.40%. TGOBCO, OBC Technical, had a cutoff of 8,123 with 90.60%. Here's the cutoff for other than home district non-technical seats allotted to home district candidates. The NLSTO category, ST Ladies, had a Stage 1 cutoff of 86,046 with 69.60%. Finally, let's look at the state-level seats. The Defense category, Defense Personnel, had a cutoff of 63,649 with 76.00%. The EWS category, Economically Weaker Section, had a cutoff of 47,052 with 80.20%. For the TFWS category, Tuition Fee Waiver Scheme, the cutoff was 2,504 with 93.40%. So, we have now covered the CAP Round 1 cutoff percentages for Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering at Government Polytechnic, Nashik for a wide range of categories, including home district, other than home district, and state-level seats. Remember that these are the cutoffs for the first round, and subsequent rounds may have different figures. We hope this detailed information is helpful in your admission process. For the most accurate and current details, please refer to the official website of DTE for admission to first year of post-SSC Diploma in Engineering and Technology. We wish you the very best in your applications.